Chapter 9, Exercise 1, Part 6 of 9, Screw 1. Create a new file. Select Model Template. Enter the name Screw 1. Save it in Butterfly Wall folder. Select OK. Create a sketch. Select the YZ plane. Draw the profile of the Screw 1. Edit this dimension to 6 mm. Enter this dimension to 9.5 mm. Draw a horizontal line, convert into reference, and edit this angle to 5 degree. Edit this dimension to 3.5. Edit this distance to 30 mm. Edit this dimension to 7 mm. Finish the sketch. Now select revolve. Specify the vector y-axis. To specify the vector, select the line 6 of sketch 0. Say OK. Hide the sketch. Create a sketch in the XY plane. Draw a rectangle. Make symmetric about the vertical axis. Edit this dimension to 4 mm. Edit this dimension to 3 mm. Finish the sketch. Select extrude. Select through all. From the start and end, subtract in the Boolean operation. Hide the sketch. Create a chamfer. Enter 0.9 distance and 45 degree. Select this edge. Say OK. Select the thread command. Select symbolic thread. Select this cylinder. M12 into 1.5 to a thread length of 30 mm. Orient view to trimetric. Save the file. File close all parts. This completes chapter 9 exercise 1 part 6 of 9 screw 1.